I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be with my children now. I'll be a normal mom. I will be taking care of my family. I'm looking forward to it. We are solving basic problems like back to school things right now, and I really am looking forward to do that. It's been a long winter without any information, with nothing in my investigator. Cold winter and spring came and nothing was happening, and then suddenly my trials were rushed, and this was the indication that something might be going on. My first clean water in a glass, I had it on a plane from Ankara to Andrews Airport. I've been dreaming of a first glass of water, my first clean long shower in a hotel, my first sleep in a decent bed. I don't know, I'm still having my first, and it's been only a couple of days, right? I lost track, but I'm still having those first. Today, this morning, I had my first walk by myself, without surveillance, without supervision, without anyone taking me anywhere. I'm still going through. Actually, I didn't expect this would be so hard. In prison, I felt strong. I thought I was doing okay, but I clearly need some time to cope with everything what is happening and what has happened, most importantly.